Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant and Certified Coach, and I have something that will definitely make a difference in your life within the first 30 days of joining. I know if you're listening to this podcast, you're someone who makes big decisions and solves hard problems. And I have a resource that I'm excited to share with you. If today's topic about when being smart is not enough resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me in the Reinvention Process private coaching program. This is your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. And you can join today for just $297 per month. You can email info@financialadventure.com and I'll personally answer any questions that you have and send you all the details. Did you know that knowing what to do and doing it consistently are two very different things? Today I want to talk to you about when being smart isn't enough. Most people don't need more information. They already know what to do. They know they should set better boundaries, manage stress differently, exercise more, spend more time with family, stop overthinking decisions, prioritize what matters most, and even take better care of themselves. The problem isn't knowledge. The problem is the implementation. In fact, some of the smartest people that I know are also some of the most frustrated. Not because they lack intelligence, not because they lack capability, but because knowing something and consistently applying it are two totally different skills. Think about it. How many books have you read? How many podcasts have you listened to? How many trainings have you attended? How many times have you thought, I know exactly what I should be doing? Yet, weeks, months, or even years later, the same challenges are still showing up. Not because you're failing, but because information alone rarely creates transformation. Support does. Accountability does. Perspective does. Having someone help you see what you can't see on your own does. That's why getting coaching and support can be so powerful. It bridges the gap between knowing and doing, between intention and action, between where you are today and where you want to be. Over the last few weeks, I've talked to you about overwhelm, decision-making, boundaries, work-life balance, accountability, time management, relationships, perfectionism, confidence, priorities, and what's possible for your future. The reality is that all of these topics point to one thing: how to lead yourself. Because the quality of your decisions ultimately shapes the quality of your life. That's exactly what we work on inside the Reinvention Process private coaching program. The Reinvention Process private coaching program includes 2 private 30-minute coaching sessions each month, personalized email support between those sessions, and coaching and support focused on helping you create better decisions, less overwhelm, stronger relationships, healthier boundaries, and a life that you're excited to live. And right now, the investment to start reinventing your future is $297 a month. No long-term contract, no complicated process, just personalized coaching and support designed to help you create meaningful change. If you've been following along and finding yourself thinking, this sounds like me, or I know I need to make some changes, this is your invitation. If this sounds like something you'd like support with, simply email me at info@financialadventure.com and let me know that you're ready to get started. I'll personally send you all the details and answer any questions that you have. 1 year from now, you'll either have continued doing what you've always done, or you'll have made some intentional changes that moved your life forward. Either way, the year will pass. If you're ready to make it count and learn how the Reinvention Process private coaching program can help you, email me at info@financialadventure.com and I'll answer any questions you have and send you all the details. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.